Hey everybody, it's Benjamin Seth Guerra Jr. here. I'm going to cover Kip Moore's Something About a Truck today. Here it goes. Something about a truck in a farmer's field. No trespass sign, got time to kill. Nobody's gonna get hurt, so tell me what's a big deal. Yeah, there's something about a truck in a farmer's field. And there's something about a beer sitting on ice after a long hard day. Nothing tastes so right in that farmer's field on a summer night. Something about a beer sitting on ice. And there's something about a girl in a red sundress with a nice cold beer pressed against her lips. In that farmer's field, yeah, make a boiling mess. Yeah, there's something about a girl in a red sundress. And there's something about a kiss that's gonna lead to more. And that drop tailgate back behind the corn, the most natural thing you ever felt before. Yeah, there's something about a kiss that's gonna lead to more. And there's something about a truck in a field and a girl in a red sundress with an ice cold beer to her lips, begging for another kiss. And there's something about you and me and the birds and the bees and the Lord have mercy. This whole thing ain't nothing but it. Something about a truck, something about a creek around 2 a.m. After a few of those beers, you wanna dive on in. No need for your clothes, you just hang 'em on limbs. Yeah, there's something about a creek around 2 a.m. And there's something about a truck in a field and a girl in a red sundress with an ice cold beer to her lips, begging for another kiss. And there's something about you and me and the birds and the bees and the Lord have mercy. This whole thing ain't nothing but it. Something about a truck, I said ain't nothing but it. Yes, something about a truck.